Welcome back to app tutorial. In this video I'll show you how you can decline a money request from any one of your contacts in the PayPal app. It's a pretty simple process, so let's start. Open the PayPal app and log into your account. If someone has requested for money in your PayPal account, it will appear as a notification in your home screen. When you tap on that notification, it will show you all the details regarding the money request. You will find options such as paying the money, declining the request, or reporting the account. You can reject the money request by simply tapping on decline. It will reject the money request sent by that specific person for that one time. However, if you don't want that person to request for money ever again, then you can report that person. After you report that person won't be able to request for money anymore, and the current request will also be declined. Hence, in this way, you can decline a money request on PayPal account in a couple of simple steps. That concludes our video, and I hope you found this helpful. Make sure to drop a like and subscribe to the channel for further videos.